After you. Oh, let them come on out. How are you?
Thank you.
You're welcome anytime. Greetings, fellow travelers and cruisers. T5 with Becky the Trekkie here, and we are inside the sports bar on the MSC Divina. We'll just show you some of the things there are to see. So they've got some mini bowling right here, a little mini bowling alley, $7 a play. You can put the card in on this side if you happen to have the maybe it doesn't take cash. I think it might just be cruise card. Just swipe your cruise card right there. The balls are right there, and just roll them on down towards the pins. Over here, they've got a little bit of sports memorabilia. They've got some nice booths, so if you want to sit and watch the sporting events, you can see on the TVs right there. They've got them full screen over here. They got a little mini Vespa there. They probably don't want you climbing up on that one for photos, but they do have a back bar here. You can use your cruise card at this bar if you've got the we have the Easy Plus package, so we can get anything up to $10. They do have some higher end items up here. You've got Martell, you've got EXO, you've got VSOP, they've got Maker's Mark, and some other top shelf up there. You can get you a JB, a Glen if you're looking for that. You can get a little bit of Grand Marnier or any of the Bacardi dark rums. They're going to have them on the back bar. They always have Heineken on tap. They've got a guitar up there on the back wall for some advertising. A little bit of spin bar seating right there. Put your feet on those bar stools right over there. They have more seating over here in kind of a lounge, so if you got you a little group and you want to watch, they got a soccer match on going right there, or football as they say, right over there, and then just a little bit more of the theming. So we'll come on over and we'll see what the menu looks like. You can get a couple of different items. So they have Caesar salads, $4.95. They got buffalo wings, $5.95. Loaded nachos, $6.95, and the sports burger is $8.95. So that is not included with the original package, but the drinks are. You can use the drink card for all the specialties. They've got $7 beer, Heineken on tap for the 14-ouncer. 7-ouncer is $4.50. So if you got that low-end card, just the basic easy package, you can get Heineken on the ship. They've got bottles and cans that's in the $7.50 range, so that just puts it outside of the easy package. But the easy plus package, you can get all of those options. If you want something over $10, you just pay the difference. And they do have some white wines, so you can get a Moscato at in the price range. They've got Riesling there. They've got Sauvignon Blanc, and they have Chardonnay if you want that. There are other white Zinfandel in the price range, and I'm seeing a Merlot and a Pinot Noir is going to also be in that area. Over here on the other side, they've got Jack Daniel's mixers. They've got Johnny Walker Red Label. You can get in the price range. They've got the Absolute Cosmo you could get. The espresso martini. They've got a mango mojito. They've got a strawberry pepperita. That one's really strong. They've got a mudslide. They got the Miami Vice. I don't know. We'll have to make a choice here, and we'll do one for the sample for everybody out there. They've also got Spirits Beyond. They've got Hugo. They've got the Tunisian, and you can just get a mocktail like a fruit smoothie, a cocoa colada, or a virgin strawberry daiquiri. Those are in the $7 range, but you can get them with the easy drink card package. Did you pick one out there to try?
Maybe the Blue Hawaiian.
Blue Hawaiian. Okay, we can do the Blue Hawaiian. We'll get 2 Blue Hawaiians and we'll get up to the bar and see how those are. All right. Hello. You did an amazing job on the Blue Hawaiians. We're gonna do 2 more. We'll get 2 more Blue Hawaiians. Thank you. Yeah, frozen. Yeah, he makes an amazing frozen blue Hawaiian here on the ship. So if you want a frozen blue, just come on down to the sports bar, and Javier will hook you up. Awesome. And they also do have coffee on the back bar, so if you're looking for a cappuccino, espresso, you can get those here as well. The sports bar does pick up at night, so right now we're about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We find this is one of the better times to come into the sports bar, like pre-dinner. If there's sports games or something going on, you know, like football, Monday Night Football or something like that, this can get pretty crowded. But right now, you can get good fast service. It's got a nice stainless steel back bar, and really it's always very clean, nice and cool in here. And they've got good theming. They got the Harley Davidson gas pump over there, and we haven't done the mini bowling yet, but $7 isn't a bad price. Maybe we'll give it a go before the end of the ship. We did get on board a little bit late. See, they had a major storm, and the ship got back to port like 6 hours late, so it delayed us in the embarkation process a few hours, but they gave everyone on board a $50, everyone in each room, so everybody on board basically got a $50 ships credit, kids included, that you can spend on board. We did bingo. It was like $40 for 3 carts. We gave that a go. No luck, but all good. Becky still got her $50 credit, so we may try to do something, and that would be something that you could use if you want to do the bowling and do a couple of rounds of bowling. That'd be like 14 a piece. That $50 credit covers it. So they always try to make things up. So we're gonna get the Blue Hawaiian. It's got blue curacao. It's got the vodka and the rum in it, and they put coconut cream. And it's a very hot day, so we ask for these to be frozen. So he's gonna throw some ice in there and throw them in the blender, and we're gonna have a frozen beverage. Tonight, we can talk themes while we're here. They do have theme nights on board the ship, so it is important to try to get in the spirit with the right clothing. Tonight's going to be the white party, the all white clothing, and then you can wear that to dinner, you can wear it to the show, and we may do another bar review tonight in our white attire, so you can see what that looks like. Last night we had 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Boy, they comboed that through 4 decades, so it really shouldn't be too hard for everybody to get something to wear. But we were in our 60s and 70s clothes last night. They had a sunshine party at the Black and White Lounge, which is in the back of the ship. And really, if you'd like to dance, if you're into dancing, there are many opportunities on board the Divina to do that. They've got the jazz bar, they've got the piano bar. We saw some couples that were from Jamaica, and they had a Bob Marley cover down there, and those 2 couples were just having a great time dancing to the Bob Marley, and it's always nice to see. That's one of the things with MSC is you get a wide variety of people from different countries on board the ship, so you get to see everybody's different cultural backgrounds, and when people are playing music to theme, for certain regions, and you get that type of music going, and you get the actual people from the actual area, the Latin crowd, for example, with some of the Latin music and the dancing, and they really like to dance. They just ham it up in big groups, really, and they have a great time doing that. Okay, well, here he's got them. Frozen Blues at the sports bar. Thank you so much, Javier, and we will give it a go. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Perfect. Thank you. Blue Hawaiians.
All right.
Cheers, everybody. All right, that's the Blue Hawaiian. Really refreshing. Thanks for joining us for this tour. We'll see all of our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers soon on the next video. Bye, everybody. Cheers.